Welcome to RGS TV, and in this video mag-solve tayo ng math board exam problem. Okay, so this time from Advanced Engineering Mathematics. Alright, so given a matrix A, okay, so with the given elements as shown, find f of A, okay, where f of x is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so pag ano guys, no, board exam problem, huwag nyo nang gawin yung ano, isa-isahin nyo to, yung x cubed, 3x squared minus 2x. Or, ba pag sinabing f of a, so pag meron kang f of x equal to x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 4, that means yung ating f of a is equal to a cubed minus 3a squared minus 2a plus 4. Okay? Ngayon kasi, tingnan nyo 'di ba 'pag nag-multiply ka ng ano, ng square matrix, okay? N by N or M by M, okay? The result is another ano, kung N by N by N by N, so siyempre, yun din yung magiging ano mo, size ng resulting matrix. So ito naman kasi, ito, ayan, lahat yan, okay? That is a 2 by 2 matrices. Okay, ang problema mo dito is itong part na 'to. Okay, ngayon, 'di ba lang 'yan, parang 4 times 1. Okay, so sa matrix, okay, kailangan mo diyang maglagay ng, tinatawag na identity matrix. So, dapat meron diyang I. Okay, so kung yung given mo ay lahat o yung given matrix mo ay naka 2 by 2 matrix. So, kailangan yung I natin dito is also a 2 by 2 matrix, 'no? So, yung I natin diyan guys ay ayan yung, 'pag identity, yung diagonal elements natin ay lahat 1, okay? And the other elements are 0, okay? So, this is 1, 0, 0, 1, okay? So, by using a calculator, puwede 'to, yung naka-a cubed, e squared, yung dire-diretso na sa calculate, puwede 'yan, 'no. So, gagawin mo lang diyan i-store mo 'tong mga matrix natin, okey? Yung, given matrix ay ilagay mo sa, matrix, okey, A ng calculator, and then itong I natin ilagay mo sa matrix, okey, B, okey, sa calcu. So, we will use, matrix mode, 'no, for this one, okey, matrix. Ayan, so matrix mode tayo. So, mode, 6. So, let's start by storing matrix A, okay, to mat A. So, select mat A, then the size. So, ang tayo 2 by 2. So, select 5. Ayan, then put, okay, the elements. So, 2, 2, okay, 3, and -1. Okay, -1. Then press AC. So, store mo yung identity matrix, no? Okay, so shift matrix doon sa 1. Okay, then matrix B. So, same na size. Select 5. Okay, then 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, ayan. Then ano tayo, 'no, input na lang dito sa ano, calculator, 'no. So, yung x cube or a cube is the same as ire-recall mo lang yung matrix. Okay, so matrix, A is 3, then cube natin. Okay, meron yan, try mo, yan, okay. So, balik tayo dun sa kanina. Okay, yan. Then minus 3 matrix A, okay, squared minus 2 matrix A, then plus 4, okay? 'Pag ganyan kasi guys, 'no, yan error yan kasi walang kadikit yung ating 4, so kailangan meron siyang identity matrix na sa tabi. Kaya ayun, lagay mo yung matrix B natin na identity matrix na 2 by 2, okay? 4, so yan equals, okay? So, -4, 8, 12, -16 is letter A, okay? So, ganyan kasimple lang 'pag, gagamit ka ng calculator sa board exam. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. So, I hope, may nakuha kayo sa ating video, and see you next time.